NASA's Voyager 1, the most distant human-made object in the universe. NASA has just announced that its Voyager 1 probe, the most distant human-made object in the universe, has begun sending usable data back to Earth again after months of transmitting what could only be described as gibberish. Voyager 1, which left the solar system back in 2012, is currently more than 15 billion miles away from Earth, an unimaginable distance. After more than 50 years in space, Voyager 1 is revealing something so extraordinary that it's reshaping everything we thought we knew about our universe. Launched in 1977, Voyager 1 embarked on a journey to explore the outer planets, but it has done so much more. It has ventured far beyond the solar system, uncovering shocking secrets and making discoveries that have left scientists stunned and utterly awestruck. This probe's remarkable mission was originally supposed to last only 5 years, but here we are, nearly 5 decades later, and Voyager 1 is still teaching us things that seem downright impossible. A bold beginning. It all began in 1977, when NASA launched 2 ambitious spacecraft, the Voyager twins. Their mission, to explore the gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn, and perhaps, if everything went well, venture onto Uranus and Neptune. But little did anyone know, this mission would grow far beyond its original scope. These explorers were tasked with unlocking secrets about our solar system that could change our understanding of our place in the universe. And that's exactly what they did. While the mission was designed to last 5 years, the Voyager probes have far exceeded expectations, lasting nearly 5 decades. And in 2024, they're still out there, continuing their journey into interstellar space. For over 40 years, these remarkable spacecraft have been sending back jaw-dropping information, revealing the mysteries of space in ways no one had ever anticipated. Engineering wonders that defied the odds. At the heart of this unprecedented success were the engineers who designed the Voyagers. They knew the mission could last far longer than expected, so they built spacecraft that would survive the harshest conditions imaginable. The technology on board, by today's standards, may seem laughably outdated, but it was precisely this simplicity and resilience that allowed the probes to continue functioning for so long. The probes were powered by radioisotope thermoelectric generators, which converted heat from decaying plutonium into electricity. This technology has allowed the Voyagers to keep going long after any typical spacecraft would have run out of power. In fact, when these probes left Earth, their computers had less memory than the key fob you use to start your car. They are still using 8-track magnetic tapes from the 1970s to store and transmit data, something almost inconceivable in today's digital age. And yet, these instruments continue to perform, transmitting invaluable data from the farthest reaches of space. Voyager 1's incredible discoveries. In 1979, Voyager 1 reached Jupiter. What it found stunned scientists. For the first time, humanity was able to see Jupiter's swirling clouds, massive storms, and the Great Red Spot up close. But there were more surprises. The probe's images revealed a planet more dynamic than anyone had imagined, turbulent winds far stronger than expected, with a chaotic atmosphere unlike any other planet we had studied before. Perhaps the most jaw-dropping discovery came from the moon Io. Unlike our moon, which is covered in craters, Io's surface was marked by bright volcanic activity, geysers of sulfur, and plumes of gas shooting into space. Io was alive, its surface shaped by constant volcanic eruptions. It was a moon with a character all its own, and it forced scientists to rethink everything they thought they knew about moons in the solar system. Europa, another moon of Jupiter, added to the mystery. Its icy surface hinted at the possibility of liquid water beneath. Could there be an ocean underneath the ice? Could there be life? Europa's potential to harbor life sparked one of the greatest mysteries of modern science. And it was Voyager's cameras that first hinted at this possibility. Saturn and beyond. After its successful exploration of Jupiter, Voyager 1 turned its sights on Saturn. It arrived in 1980 and revealed Saturn's majestic rings, which were not just a collection of icy debris as scientists had once thought. Instead, they were made up of hundreds of intricate ringlets, some with strange dark spokes. Saturn's moons, too, were full of surprises. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, was the first moon found to have a thick nitrogen-rich atmosphere, a feature found nowhere else in the solar system. The probe's data sparked a wave of new questions. What was beneath Titan's thick haze? What could that mysterious atmosphere reveal about the potential for life beyond Earth? Uranus and Neptune, strange new worlds. In 1986, Voyager 2, the twin probe, reached Uranus, a planet that defied expectations with its serene, featureless blue-green atmosphere. But the surprises didn't stop there. Voyager 2 discovered that Uranus' magnetic field was tilted at almost 60 degrees from its axis of rotation, behaving in a way that challenged scientific models. The next stop was Neptune in 1989. Once again, the probe delivered astonishing results. Neptune's Great Dark Spot, a storm similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot, was found, along with winds that were faster than anything scientists had previously believed could exist. But it was Neptune's moon Triton that left everyone speechless. The coldest known object in the solar system, Triton had geysers that spurted nitrogen gas, and a surface marked by rugged, mysterious terrain. Voyager's images of Triton changed how we thought about the outer solar system. Into interstellar space. By the late 1990s, both Voyager probes had ventured beyond the planets, crossing into a new and mysterious frontier, interstellar space. Voyager 1 officially crossed the boundary into interstellar space in 2012, followed by Voyager 2 in 2018. These were the first human-made objects to leave the influence of the Sun and venture into the unknown. For years, scientists have been receiving data from these distant travelers, and their findings have changed everything we thought we knew about the solar system's boundaries. The region called the heliopause, where the solar wind slows and space begins, was not as smooth and clean as expected. Instead, it was turbulent and chaotic, filled with magnetic bubbles and energetic waves of particles. The Golden Record, a message for the future. Both Voyager probes carry a message in a bottle, the Golden Record. A gold-plated copper disc containing sounds, images, and messages from Earth, meant for any intelligent beings that might one day discover them. The Golden Record features greetings in 55 languages, music from cultures across the world, and sounds of nature, wind, thunder, birdsong, all intended to convey the story of Earth. Voyager's silent journey into the unknown. As we approach 2025, both Voyagers are expected to run out of power. Their plutonium fuel will finally be exhausted, and they will go silent, never to send another signal back to Earth. But these probes will continue to drift through the vast, cold expanse of space, carrying with them the legacy of humanity's first attempts to reach beyond our planet. Even after they go silent, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 will continue their journeys across the galaxy. They will pass near stars like Gliese 445, 17 light-years away, and Ross 248, 10 light-years away. But these stars, like the billions of others in the galaxy, will be unaware of these silent travelers. These probes will keep drifting for millions of years, carrying their golden records, a silent message to the future, and perhaps to other civilizations. They will become a testament to a time when humans dared to venture beyond their home planet and reached for the stars. A legacy across time. The magnitude of the Voyager mission is beyond comprehension. These two small spacecraft, each roughly the size of a car, are traveling through time and space at a pace that dwarfs human history. They carry the story of Earth and its people, a civilization that once looked up at the stars with wonder and ambition. In 40,000 years, when the Voyager probes pass by distant stars, humanity may be long gone, and the Earth may look nothing like it does today. But these small, resilient spacecraft will keep traveling, enduring, unchanging, a reminder of a species that dared to explore the cosmos. The question remains, will anyone, or anything, ever find them? Could an advanced alien civilization one day encounter these relics of a bygone era, and learn something about the humans who once launched them into the stars? Or will these probes, silent and unnoticed, drift forever, forgotten? In the vastness of the cosmos, the Voyagers stand as symbols of human curiosity, resilience, and our quest to explore